What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I want to discuss making passive income off your crypto during a time where, let's be honest, things are a little bit boring. Well, either way, one thing that we need to be doing is earning money in the interim. And this is only something that I've recently started doing. So I have quite a few videos on this and I will be sharing all of those on this channel for you all. So please do smash up that like button if you find any of this useful. Drop any comments down below if you have any questions on today's video, and sit back and enjoy. Okay guys, so the app that we're going to be using is called Nexo. Now this is something that I've only recently come across, and it's something now that I'm actually withdrawing some of my cryptocurrency from other exchanges and I'm going to actually transport it here. Now firstly guys, if you do want to join this, it will be in the description below and also in the comments, where you and I will earn $25 of Bitcoin. So if you want $25 free of Bitcoin for literally making passive income and you want to also help this channel out, then please do use that referral code. However, how it works is pretty simple. You can use it off obviously your phone. I'm using it on an iPhone right now, and essentially you can buy, sell or swap cryptocurrency. So it's very easy. I'll just quickly show you here. So I have got my card set up because I'm going to do this as soon as I finish this video. Now you can literally pay with however you want to pay, and you can also receive the following cryptocurrencies. Now you can also obviously, like I mentioned, sell once you have them, and you can swap them as well, which is really useful. But today's video, obviously we're more focused on making passive income. So at the minute, one of my favorites, which is Matic Polygon, you can earn up to 20% APR. So 20% is unbelievable. Now what you'll see next to it is a 33% LTV, now which essentially means that you can also borrow against your cryptocurrency. So let's say for example you put 100,000 in there. Not only will you be getting 20% on that interest, so for somebody like myself as a property investor, that's brilliant because it's all about yield, return on investment. What can this actually make me? And it almost becomes an asset in its own right. But you can also lend against it. So if any of you guys are balling and you have any of the cryptocurrencies on here, I'd certainly recommend you put it onto Nexo, get that passive income of 20%, and then also if you need to, you can simply lend against it. Now also it'll show you details obviously of Matic itself, and one of the best things you can do is buy directly off the app, so you haven't got to jump onto another exchange. Now if I'd known about this truthfully 6, 12, 18 months ago, I would have just simply brought straight on this app for particular ones, because one thing I want to show you is other ways of earning passive income on your cryptocurrency where you can probably make more money than what you're making on this app, because some of you may not have the cryptocurrencies available on here, but if you have Matic, this is the best one that I've seen personally. There are a few others as well, and if I just quickly show you now, and to simply find out, you simply click wallet, as you can see there. You click, so if you click ETH, you can earn up to 8%. Now I've got a lot of ETH. ETH is actually my biggest bag. I need to put it in here. So essentially I will be moving that over into Nexo. XRP, 8% again. XRP I think is probably like my third or second biggest holding. So again, I need to be on this as much as I'm telling you guys. So guys, I'm going to be jumping on this. If you guys obviously want to jump on it, please do obviously use a referral in the link below. And until then guys, hopefully you can enjoy this passive income while we're moving sideways. And fingers crossed we all hit the all-time highs, that bull run that we're all looking for in Q1 2022. So until next time guys, thank you so much for sticking around when you guys could have been doing anything, but you chose to spend a few moments with me. And I have a cold, so now I'm going to go lie down. So until next time guys, thanks for watching.